Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be comparing two of Nuna's convertible car seats, the RAVA versus the EXEC, and we'll talk about what they have in common first. They each have a flip-up cup holder on either side to store snacks, drinks, and toys. The RAVA and the EXEC are made with high-quality, soft fabric, which is naturally flame retardant without added chemicals. They both have multi-position headrests that are easy to adjust, as well as adjustable footrests. The EXEC's footrest doubles as an anti-rebound bar when used in rear-facing mode. They both have side impact protection pods on the outer shell. With the RAVA, they pop out manually. These car seats each have a rear tether clip to make forward-facing installation extra safe. They have the same tension doors beneath the seat fabric to make installation easy. For rear-facing mode, the blue belt path is in the base of the seat through the cup holder openings, and for forward-facing, the red belt path goes through the backrests. Now we'll go over some differences between the RAVA and the EXEC. Although they both have harness buckle holders, the RAVA has fabric pockets while the EXEC has magnets. These car seats have the same weight capacities for each installation mode, 5 to 50 pounds for rear-facing and 25 to 65 pounds for forward-facing. Although they both have easy button-operated reclines, the RAVA has 10 positions and the EXEC only has 8 positions. The biggest difference between the two is that the EXEC is a 3-in-1 car seat, so you can use it in booster mode when your child is getting a little older, and that is between 40 to 120 pounds. You can easily store the harness away and then use the lower anchor connectors through the forward-facing belt path to secure the EXEC to the vehicle seat. Then route the seatbelt through the shoulder belt guide in the headrest and help your child buckle themselves in. Because of this difference, if you do buy the RAVA, you will have to purchase a separate booster seat once your child exceeds 65 pounds. As you can see, the overall structure of both of these car seats are pretty similar, and they're both favorites at the Baby Cubby. If you do want the longer lifespan of a car seat, then the EXEC might be the way to go. Thanks for watching. You can shop these car seats or any other car seat you see on babycubby.com, where any order over $25 ships for free. To learn more about the Nuna RAVA car seat, you can check out this video, and then to learn more about the EXEC, you can check out this video. Like and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next time.